Jai Srimanarayana.
Some people brought fans to fan him, chamaras, and Rama rejected them. And the charioteer brought chariot to Rama for him to get in. But Rama said, "No, I don't need any chariot." He slowly rejecting all those luxuries, pleasures and services, slowly getting rid of all that, and dharayan manasa dukkham, the grief, the amount of grief, enormous amount of grief he is suppressing within his mind, within his heart, and slowly walking towards his mother's palace, Kausalya Bhavanam. Because if Rama, he cries, there will be, everybody will be crying, and some people might even lose their lives. Because of all that, Rama is maintaining the same amount of happiness in his face, and slowly he is trying to talk to everyone and moving towards his mother's palace. And then Rama, the moment he came out and moved further, all of a sudden, so many people at a time, they cried inside the palace, and that sound came out. The crying sound, the grief crying, loudly crying sound broke all of a sudden. And everybody, Artha Shabdo Mahan Jagne, Strinam Antahpure Tada. Everybody started crying at a time inside the palace. All of them started saying that our own Rama, the one who takes care of us, that Rama, our Rama is now leaving every one of us. Our Rama, the one who takes care of us like a mother, is now leaving every one of us. Our Rama, who never gets upset about any one of us, now leaving every one of us. Our Rama, the one who always wants every one of us to be happy, is now leaving every one of us. Like that, all of a sudden, all the people inside the Antahpuram is crying. When Dasharatha Maharaju heard that sound, big, loud, breaking, crying sound, all of a sudden, Dasharatha Maharaju again got fainted. As and how a calf is lost, cow loses calf, as and how cow cries, so also, except Kaika, all the wives of Dasharatha Maharaju, all the people who are there inside the Antahpuram, they are all crying. Nobody knows outside. All of a sudden, all this cry, when it came to Rama's ears, he's trying to hold all his grief within himself, and repeatedly breathing a lot like an elephant, and slowly moving towards his mother's palace. As Rama approaching his mother's palace, there are so many people. All people are around Rama's mother's palace. Suddenly have seen Rama coming towards his mother's palace, and stood up immediately and started saying, Jaya Sri Ram, Jaya Sri Ram, Jayena Jayatam Shreshtham, Vardhayanti Smaraghavam. Rama, Rama, may you be successful. May there be success to you. May you be successful. Like that, everybody out of so much happiness, because nobody knows about this disaster, what happened there. Everybody started wishing Rama with a great happiness and with great success, full wish. With that, after listening to all of them, slowly moving towards again mother's palace, as and how Rama gets inside. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.